In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Notion. By the end, you'll have your Notion workspace connected to Zapier so you can start automating tasks without writing any code. First, open your browser and head to zapier.com. Sign into your account so you're on the Zapier dashboard. If you use single sign-on, make sure you're logging in with the same credentials you plan to use for your automations. It's important that you're in the correct Zapier account for your team or personal workspace so your new connection is available where you need it. On the left-hand side of the Zapier interface, look for App Connections. This is your central hub for managing all the apps you've linked to Zapier. It's where you can add new services, remove old ones, and see everything that's already connected at a glance, which keeps your automations organized and easy to maintain. Inside App Connections, click Add Connection. A search box will appear so you can find the app you want to connect. Type Notion into the search field. You should see Notion pop up in the results with its icon. Click Notion to select it and proceed to the next screen. Now click Add Connection for Notion. Zapier will open a new window prompting you to authorize access to your Notion account. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in to Notion if you aren't already. You'll be asked to choose the Notion workspace you want to connect and to grant Zapier permission to access specific pages or databases. For security and clarity, it's a good idea to grant access only to the pages you plan to automate, though you can expand permissions later if your needs grow. When you're ready, confirm and allow access. Once authorization completes, you'll be taken back to Zapier. You should now see Notion listed in your app connections. That's your confirmation that the connection is live. If you like, you can rename the connection to something descriptive, especially if you manage multiple Notion workspaces. If anything didn't connect as expected, double check that you selected the correct workspace during authorization and that you're signed in to the right Notion account. If a particular page isn't available in your Zaps later, revisit the connection and ensure that page is shared with the integration in Notion. That's it. Your Notion account is now connected to Zapier, and you're ready to start building automations that create, update, or find items in your Notion databases based on triggers in your other apps. Thanks for watching and happy automating.